Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Augustus Stanford, the director of TROUSER Side Designer, and today we are going to consider another topic: how to fix your trouser side pocket. That is what we are going to consider today, and I'm going to show you what we are going to work with. We need pocketing. This is our pocketing. We need pocketing with a piece of fabric for the pocket, and we need our front side of the material, one side of the which we have already cut, front side of the trouser which we have drafted out. This is the front side of the trouser, and we need a piece to cover the side pocket. I'm going to start by cutting the pocketing. We like to see how to cut the pocketing, and then from there we proceed. These are pocketing. These are pocketing. We cut it. Measure the length. For the pocket to be deep, you make it 14. The length of the pocket will be 14, and the width of our pocket will be 13. That's the pocketing. The width of the pocketing will be 13, which is 6.5 if we should fold it into 4. I'm cutting out our pocketing. Cutting out our pocketing. I've cut out the pocketing. These are pocketing. I've cut it out. The next thing we have to do is to weave. We weave this because we are going to attach this to our pocketing. We weave it. So we are going to the weaving. Just step it as we go. We are back to the weaving. We have to weave this. And the purpose for weaving this is to prevent the material from removing. If you didn't weave it, this is what the material will be doing. So we need to weave it to avoid that. We are done with our weaving. Then we need to add this to our pocketing. We add this to our pocketing. But before we add this, we have to put white riller underneath the machine. Let's change the riller we have. Then we need to join this to our pocketing. I want you to look at something. Look at the downside of this pocketing. There is a curve at the downside, and the upper area, there is no curve on the upper area of this pocketing. So our material which we cut out, the pointed mark will be facing at the curve area. This is how it's supposed to be. Please just take time and watch as I'm doing it. Then we're doing this. The next thing we are going to do, we are taking this to iron. We have to add gum to this, but there is something I want to let you understand. We are fixing this pocket with measurement. Our waist, the waist of the trouser I'm showing now, the waist is 39. The waist is 39, and we have already cut out this for the front side of the trouser. Now, as we want to fix the pocket of this trouser, we have to fix it based on the measurement. If we divide 39 by 4, it will give us 9 3/4. 9 3/4. 9 3/4 is 9.75. 9.75. Go back to how to read tape if you are confused about it. I have a video how to read tape, and watch that video. Watch it very carefully. You will understand what I mean. 39 divided by 4. 39 divided by 4 will give us 9 3/4. Then I would like you to watch. This is, we remove ½ inch as our seam allowance. We measure 9 3/4. This is 9 3/4 here. We send 1 inch inside. These are 1 inch inside. If we send 1 inch inside, it will give us 8 3/4. This is the 1 inch we send inside. We give a cut. Give a cut. Just watch. Please be observant to what I'm doing here. We give a cut. We are going to apply a gum here. Right down. This is where we are going to fold. Just give a watch on it. And that little cut here. We are going to iron to apply gum stay on this area and on the opposite area. Let's go to the iron table. So we are now on our table. We have to cut out, these are gum stay. We have to cut out about 2 inches. Have to cut about 2 inches for our gumming. Then we need to gum. Then we need to fold this along the line of our cutting. We fold it along the line of our cutting. We also fold this. we are done with our gumming. So we are done with our gumming, so we are back to our machine to start our sewing. You place your pocketing this way. You place it this way. Thread, we want to fix our thread at the back mouth of the needle. So we place it this way. You give a stitch here and run this way. Now we are going to consider the waist measurement here. This is where we are going to consider the waist measurement. We have our waist measurement as 39. If we divide that 39 by 4, it will give us 9 3/4 or 9.75. Now this is our seam allowance, half inch seam allowance. We consider here this our 9 3/4 here. So what we do, we send this a little inside so that the seam allowance here will not be much. You adjust it, you adjust this, you adjust, this is the place you adjust. It's either you. So we are done with adjusting. We now sew. You give a cut here, a little cut, not much, then trim this. to be equal. You turn the pocket right from inside out. So viewers, this is just the way to fix your side pockets. This is just the way to fix your side pockets. I hope you have learned something today. Thank you for spending time to watch this video. Please, I will beg of you to give me a like on this video, and please also subscribe to my channel to get more of this video. Thank you, and God bless you.